Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Terry with Organic Raw Roots Farm. With all this talk of germs and bacteria and there's no hand sanitizer on the shelf, let's make some. My good friend Jeanette asked me if I had any sanitizer on hand because of all the germs going around. I told her no, I couldn't find it. She sent me a recipe, so it inspired me to do my own. Okay guys, the recipe, I will link it in the description box below. I am using the World Health Organization recipe. I kind of tweaked it just a little bit. I do not have any glycerin. I'm only using what I have here on hand, and that would be 1/2 cup of alcohol, 1/3 cup of aloe vera cooling gel, an empty bottle or container that you will need, and 1 tablespoon of peroxide. I want to leave a disclaimer. I'm not a nurse nor a doctor, and this will not cure you or protect you from any viruses. This is just a homemade sanitizer that will clean your hands and help a little bit with the germs. I found that stirring it was not good enough, so I decided to shaky, and that worked wonders. Now guys, make sure you use an alcohol that is 70% to 99% to kill all bacteria. Just pour it into your empty container. The aloe vera is also to help not have your hands dry out from the alcohol. I really did like it. I didn't really see that much of a difference from the sanitizer that we now cannot find on the shelf. So give it a try. I think you'll like it. I hope you like this video, and I hope you make your sanitizer. Please like and subscribe. There'll be more videos to come. Thanks for stopping by. Bye bye. God bless.